Bad Boys, Nerf gun. Pretty heavy, eh? Nerf. It's a new gun for Christmas. Cute bullets. Put that back. It shoots. We haven't got it loaded at the moment though. Well, Bad Boys, Nerf gun. There we go. See ya. See you soon. One day on a different video. Dun, dun, dun.